Well, you should definitely not be looking to buy insurance online. So there's a lot of companies out there now that tell you, oh, hey, you can buy insurance, just answer 3 questions and you'll get immediate coverage today, right? Reason being because those companies don't have something called term conversion, which is really important when you're purchasing like a term policy, let's say. That's a provision that comes in the majority of insurance contracts that allow you to convert all or part of your death benefit of that term policy into a permanent one down the line. And that's really important because we don't know what might happen to our health in the future. And it's important that if I bought this 20-year term, well, that at some point I can at least transfer enough for burial expenses, or usually it's for burial expenses, right? Into something permanent. So that once that 20-year term, for example, lapses at the 20 years, I still have permanent coverage at the rate that I got it when I converted it, right? So that's definitely one thing, because it's important to read the fine print and not just, oh, I got this and it was super affordable, right? There's reasons why those plans are maybe more affordable than other companies, right? The second thing I would look into asking is, hey, does this policy have living benefits? And that's really important because, as well, there's been many changes in the industry. For the past few years, a lot of insurance companies offer living benefits. And what this does is it provides peace of mind to the consumer that if, God forbid, they have something like a critical illness, like cancer, heart attack, or stroke, it's more than that, or a chronic illness where they can't do activities of daily living, like walking or bathing, that they can use part of that death benefit to help them pay for other things, right? Because, like I say, diagnosis of cancer nowadays is not really a death sentence as it might have been a few years ago, right? But there's still the bills still need to get paid. You might need to hire somebody to help out with the housework, right? And more than likely, that person or a family member might have to take time off work to help them out, right? So it's really important that whether you're buying a term policy or a permanent policy, to make sure that it has those living benefits and it doesn't cost a lot. It's not like you're adding it as a rider, they come built into the policy. And it might be like a $5 difference than maybe another life insurance policy that doesn't have those living benefits. Um, I think those are the two most important things. And I would say third, maybe adding specific riders to that life insurance policy, like a waiver of premium rider. And what that does is it also provides peace of mind that if they become disabled, which is different, right? If they become disabled, that policy will continue to pay for itself as long as that person is disabled.